Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about smoking in pregnancy. Every cigarette you smoke harms your baby. Cigarettes restrict the essential oxygen supply to your baby, so their tiny heart has to beat harder every time you smoke. Cigarettes contain over 4,000 chemicals. Protecting your baby from tobacco smoke is one of the best things you can do to give your child a healthy start in life. It's never too late to stop. If you stop smoking now, stopping smoking will benefit both you and your baby immediately. Carbon monoxide and chemicals will clear from the body and oxygen levels will return to normal. You will have less morning sickness and fewer complications in pregnancy if you stop smoking now. You are more likely to have a healthier pregnancy and a healthier baby. You will reduce the risk of stillbirth. You will cope better with the birth. Your baby will cope better with any birth complications. Your baby is less likely to be born too early and have to face the additional breathing, feeding and health problems which often go with being premature. Your baby is less likely to be born underweight and have a problem keeping warm. Babies of mothers who smoke are, on average, 200 grams lighter than other babies. These babies may have problems and are more prone to infection. You will reduce the risk of cut death. It will also be better for your baby later in life. Children whose parents smoke are more likely to suffer from illness which need hospital treatment. The sooner you stop, the better. But stopping even in the last few weeks of pregnancy will benefit you and your baby. If you understand why you smoke and what triggers your smoking, you will be able to prepare yourself so that you can cope when you quit. It can help to give up with somebody else so that you can support each other. Change the habits you associate with smoking and plan now. You will deal with difficult situations without the use of cigarettes. Choose a day to stop. Will the first few days be easier during a working week or over a weekend? When you are busy or relaxed, whatever you choose, stop completely on that day. Review your plan and get rid of all your cigarettes the day before your day for stopping. Lots of people start smoking again because they feel they cannot cope with the withdrawal symptoms. The first few days may not be much fun, but the symptoms are a sign that your body is starting to recover. Take one day at a time and reward yourself for success. Go through your list of reasons for going smoke-free to remind yourself why you have given up. If you have had a scan, use your scan image to keep you going through the times when you are finding it tough. If your partner or anyone else who lives with you smoke, it can affect you and your baby both before and after birth. You may also find it more difficult to quit. Secondhand smoke can cause low birth weight and cut death. Infants of parents who smoke are more likely to be admitted to hospital for bronchitis and pneumonia during the first year of life. I hope you quit smoking as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.